Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a payment method inside the Hostinger for your e-commerce store. Now just log into your Hostinger account, and once you're logged in, on the left side you will see these sections like website, domains, horizon. So just make sure to go to this website section, and from this website section make sure to select your e-commerce store. Just click on website and open the website, and once you open the website, now I will attach a screenshot so you will see multiple options like analytics, settings, store details, and etc. You will see all those details. So make sure to go to this section called payments. And once you click on payments, inside the payment section, you will see multiple options like set up your store, or the second option will be set up a payment method and update your company information, review your shipping, etc. Multiple options. So make sure to click on set up your payment method. Now, once you click on set up your payment method, so you will see multiple options depending on whichever, like whatever country you have. You might see PayPal, you might see pay with Google or your credit or debit card. Make sure to select whatever payment method is available. You can choose the plan, add the payment method, and after that, you will be able to complete the subscription on your e-commerce store. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it and add a payment method inside your e-commerce store. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.